It's a good day, friends. It's a good day. Hello, my friends. My name's Gina. If you are brand new to my channel, I'm the creative here on YouTube and all social media behind Create and Daydream. And today is one of my most favorite days of every single month. I am opening and unboxing and sharing my Illustrated Faith Creative Team Member box, and I get to share it with you. So if that's something you want to see, hang on in and let's jump into what's new in the Illustrated Faith shop, along with the brand new kit for March called Speak Life. There's my little card from Shauna Noel. Each month I pray and thank her for letting me be on her team because I love it so much. It's such an incredible blessing. With that said, let's jump into the kit for March. It is called Speak Life, but looks like we're doing something before that. This is called to create in these two packages. I'm not unboxing them because I have an unboxing on my channel already. So if you are interested in what we are doing for Lent with Illustrated Faith, I will link that below. It's fantastic. Lent starts today, which totally thought it started tomorrow, but I'm going to be sharing my process and what I'm doing this Lent season. And now let's jump into Speak Life. But first and foremost, I just wanted to show you my Band-Aids because you know my fingers like to play games with me. So here we go. Let's talk Speak Life. Grab your cup of coffee and join me in unboxing this beautiful, beautiful kit along with all the other goodies that are here. Okay, my friends across the street are mowing the lawn at 8 a.m. So if you can hear that, I apologize. Okay, let's start off with the lovely Shauna Wells thank you note. She says, thankful for you. Look at the colors. Amazing, right? Hey, friend, thank you for joining us this month. I'm excited to invite our friend and community member, Winter, to speak life into each of us through scriptures and her personal stories. Winter encourages us to lean fully into the life God desires for each of us as we walk through topics of fear, hopeful expectations, contentment, the call to serve, and prayer. You can follow along using the hashtag IF_SpeakLife. And if you didn't see it, there's a little sneaky peeky of the April kit. Looks really cute. I don't know who wrote that one yet, so I'm excited to find out. Okay, as I'm flipping through the devotional, we're going to talk about it, but first and foremost, y'all, we're giving away 3 kits like today. Well, they're going to go live today. So one, get over in the Facebook Bible journaling group. It'll be linked below. Then I'm giving away a video. I'm giving away a kit in this video. And I'm also giving away a kit over on the Illustrated Faith YouTube channel on Tuesday. So I am sponsoring the 2 YouTube giveaways, and the wonderful Shauna Noel is sponsoring the giveaway on Facebook. Also, just a little side note, she has been refunding orders on her personal page on Instagram. Like, she's got the biggest heart. She's the most giving person. Make sure you follow her there. And before I get through this entire devotional, let me share Winter's heart behind it. Obviously, this is a jam-packed devotional. I already love it. I have not read it, but let me share Winter's heart, and we'll do that right now. Okay, so Winter says, I'm Winter. You may not know me because although I'm a complete extrovert and have zero trouble talking to the stranger in line at the grocery store or even on stage in front of a crowd, I'm kind of the opposite online. I tend to be quiet and not share my creative heart as often. Even so, I've been a part of the Illustrated Faith community since 2016. In fact, nearly 1 year ago, because of the kit, When Love Finds You, I wrote a bucket list of dreams, and writing something for this community was high on that list. So I don't know Winter, but I am so excited to get to know her. I will link her direct Instagram handle below, and then I'm also going to share more of her description and her heart when we flip through the ephemera for this kit, because the ephemera is fantastic. It's loaded. It's our girl Vanessa Walker, so super excited about that. There's a little sticker that's a vinyl sticker that can go on anything, literally anything. Here is our spotty dot. I think that's what they're calling it. Let me double check that. Dot smile, or dot. We're just calling it the dot. Okay. Dot Dot Smiles, one of our washies this month. So I think that's a Spotty Dot stencil. I'm not sure, but did you like how I put it on my hot pink sleeves? Anyways, okay, here is the Speak Life stamp. Beautiful. Again, we got some Vanessa Walker on there. I love the back. And Vanessa Walker is the artist for the florals. And I believe the artwork for this entire kit. So shout out Vanessa Walker. I'm going to leave her Instagram below as well. And we also had some cross stickers in there. So the cross stickers you can buy individually. They're awesome. They're like a cardstock sticker. And then you can also pick up, let me see. Oh, nothing else from the kit right now. So you want to get the kit. And again, I'm giving away 2 kits. I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do that here pretty soon. And as I'm getting into the amazing ephemera, what I want to do is I want to talk a little bit more about the devotional. Y'all, it's very early in the morning here. As you can see, I'm still drinking coffee. My husband left at 5:30 this morning to go to downtown LA. It's a whole thing. We got a whole lot of things going on here in this house. So thank you if you're still hanging in here. So this ephemera is gorgeous. And I will tell you, I picked up 2 extra packs of the ephemera without seeing it in person because I love the florals. Like, you can never have enough floral ephemera or ephemera that you love because you can add it anywhere. So as I'm showing you this, let me share a little bit more about Winter's heart behind her devotional. Okay, so Winter also says, I've always been the girl who didn't consider herself an artist, just crafty. Although in recent years, I've started to pull the title of artist closer. I'm an artist and my art is photography and words. Painted in a Bible, glued down in an art journal, or written on a page. I'm an artist because my father is an artist. Oh, I'm just reading that. That's so good, Winter. Yes. Okay. Oh, I just got chills. Okay. She goes on to say, I'm so excited to spend the next month speaking life to you. I plan to share my own stories and the teachings of Paul this month to provide a big dose of encouragement. If you look at the 4 areas I chose to use to speak life to us, you might think, girl, I'm not sure this is a theme. But I'm going to say, oh girl, yes it is. Because when one of these areas of our life is off, then our entire life is a little wonky. If we are walking through life fearful, hopeless, or confused about where we are called to serve, or with a heart that is fresh out of contentment, we are leaning towards a life less than what God desires for us. Oh, this is good. Okay, I want us leaning full tilt into the life God desires for us. Lives filled with joy and satisfaction where He has placed us, full of hope and ready to shower that hope on those around us with hearts full of Jesus and knowing that He is enough. Okay, I just read this for the first time. This is so good, Winter. I'm so excited. This is a phenomenal follow-up to Love Shows Up, which I know I have not shared anything here on YouTube, but I've worked through the entire devotional. I'm going to share that. I also made a little ring, but I've been super busy, haven't been able to do that. But if you are doing Love Shows Up, you know we had 4 ladies come in and talk about 4 topics that really lead right into this devotional. It's fantastic, and this devotional leads into Called to Create, or Called to Create leans into that. So kudos, Illustrated Faith. Nothing gets me more excited than to hear from a new person and hear their story, their testimony, how Jesus has worked in their lives. And then obviously, like, if you've been watching my videos, you know I get excited, and when I get excited, I just can't hold it in. But there's sometimes, like, I could be reading stuff and you can maybe just tell that I'm not too excited about it, or it's not hitting at that moment. This hit right at that moment. That's not my caffeine from my coffee. That is Winter's words. So as I was reading that, how gorgeous is the ephemera? This is on like a matte cardstock. It is loaded with florals. It is loaded with some sayings. We've got some speech bubbles. We just got some little painted journaling bits. It's fantastic. There's hummingbirds. My heart is for the hummingbirds. that's a story in of itself. And here's just some 2 little extras. So Jill pulls these together, and she does just such a great job at it. Jill's one of the main editors of the devotionals. Like, she's the designer of how she pulls everything together. She also does our toolboxes, which is she pulls Bible verses, and she does something kind of neat to go with that. And I'm going to share a lot of that in my video for Illustrated Faith next week. It'll be the first time that I'm actually sharing a devotional in an Illustrated Faith video. So I'm going to share how I set up in a faith art journal. So here's the kit. The kit's beautiful. It's on sale today. This is the last day. So this is Wednesday, the 22nd. So it's on sale for $25 today. Tomorrow, I believe it goes back up. But this one's worth it. Like, I think they're all worth it in my opinion. I love this one. I mean, I love them all. I loved last one. So it's very difficult for me to say that I love one over another. So the next thing here is I left this in. This is the fabric. So the fabric sells out like immediately when it goes live. Shauna Noel, the little cutie pie that she is, she's been jogging down to the fabric store and picking up fabric that matches the kit. So if you did not get this, you jog on down to the fabric store, or get in your car and walk like normal people like I do, and just pick up fabric. Like, pick up a 1/4 of a yard that matches the kit or matches your projects, and then you just like cut a little slit in it at a inch mark, or say a 2-inch mark, and you rip it, and that's how you get the fabric. So I think we all got a little bit different fabric, which is cool. So whatever you guys bring in, don't feel like if you miss the fabric in the Illustrated Faith shop, you can't use fabric in a project. You can use fabric. Just find some fabric. And let me just tell you, if you like patterns and stuff like that, going to the fabric area in Joann's or Hobby Lobby, it can put you in a trance and you can spend some money. So just be aware of that. Look for coupons. All right. Next up is some more goodies in the shop. I'm going to start with this stamp by our lovely Emily. Emily is one of our newer artists. I believe my last video is on one of her sets. She is Art by Emily B Creates on Instagram. I believe I will link that below. This is her sermon notes. So she's got us with key points, notes, scripture, title, prayer, speaker, date, and then some numbers along with some little, I can't think of what those are at the bottom. I want to say scallops. Is that right? Scallops? And then also some little leaves and stuff. So if this is how you take sermon notes, this would be a really cute thing. Just stamp your key points, your notes, your scriptures, etc. Then we have a new washi, which you already heard me talk about it a little bit. The black is Dot Dot Smile in charcoal, and this peachy color is Dot Dot Smile in paper. That's a cute color. And then we got some graph washi, which that's my favorite. I'm a big fan of black and white. Like, I pretty much add black and white to everything. So it's like when Tom Cruise is talking to Renee Zellweger in that movie, and she says, "You had me at hello." I'm saying, "You had me at black and white." Okay, here are some library cards. Elaine's been producing library cards every single month. I'm obsessed with them. I'm using them for all the things inside my Bible, outside my Bible, for Happy Mail, for notes. They are darling. She pulls the colors from the kit and gives us like some really pretty colors. There's 2 of each color in a set. Right now, these are currently available. They usually sell out. And if they sell out, I believe that all of them are also in the Print Pray shop. So on top of that, Elaine has come up with some alphas, which super cute. Like, who doesn't want some extra alpha? Like I always do. So the colors there are coral, citron, and what's the last one? Cotton candy. So those are all 3 available in the shop. The library cards are currently available in the shop. I will link the shop, and then I will write underneath of it everything that's in there, but just go in there and check everything out. We launched this devotional last Wednesday. I got my kit a little bit late. If I didn't mention it, my post office likes to play games with me too. They're like my nails. That's the enemy just saying, "Hey, yeah, we're going to send your stuff late. We're going to try to put you in a bad mood." But guess what? You're not putting me in a bad mood. I don't care when I get the kit. I'm still excited about it, and I'm still going to share it with you all. So this is all the new goodies. There is Called to Create. I will link that below. How to win the kit today in my video is just say hi in the comments. If you're new, tell me your name. If you're not new, tell me your name anyway, because maybe I forgot it. And just tell me what's your favorite thing about the new release, or specifically in the kit, whatever you want to do. And I decided to leave this in here just to show you that I also purchase from Illustrated Faith when I have the money. You know, I'm on a super tight budget, but if I can give back to Sean and Noel by purchasing, I do that. And I loved the ephemera for this kit. And I also picked up library cards and some alphas, and I was going to show everything, but my address is in there and I can't do that, my friends. So I'm so happy you all are here. Know that God loves you. And I love you too. God bless you, my friends, and bless up. See you soon.